Welcome to Bodisoul, where we share practical tips and advice for a healthier and happier you. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us have faced at some point in our lives: toenail fungus. If you're tired of dealing with the discomfort and embarrassment of toenail fungus, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to get rid of toenail fungus fast and naturally, step by step. Before we get started, I want to emphasize that while these methods can be effective, they may not work for everyone. If your toenail fungus is severe or persists, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for guidance and treatment options. Signs of toenail fungus. Recognizing the signs of toenail fungus is crucial for early intervention. Number 1. Discoloration. The most noticeable sign is a change in nail color. Look for yellow, brown, or white discoloration. As the infection progresses, the nail may become increasingly discolored. Number 2. Thickening. Infected nails often thicken over time and may appear distorted or misshapen. You might notice that your affected nail is no longer smooth and flat. Number 3. Brittle nails. Toenail fungus can make your nails brittle and prone to breaking, splitting, or crumbling. This can lead to pain and discomfort. Number 4. Foul odor. An unpleasant odor may emanate from the infected nail. This odor can be a clear indicator of a fungal infection. Number 5. Debris accumulation. Underneath the affected nail, you might notice debris or scaling. This buildup can worsen as the infection progresses. Recognizing the signs of toenail fungus is crucial for early intervention. Natural remedies to get rid of toenail fungus. Now, let's delve into the natural remedies to treat toenail fungus effectively. Number 1. Tea tree oil treatment. Obtain 100% pure tea tree oil. Using a clean cotton ball, apply a few drops of tea tree oil to the infected nail. Repeat this process daily, preferably in the morning and before bedtime. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar soak. Mix equal parts of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and warm water in a basin. Soak your affected foot in this solution for 15-20 minutes daily. Pat your foot dry thoroughly after the soak. Number 3. Baking soda paste. Create a paste by mixing baking soda with a small amount of water to form a thick consistency. Gently apply the paste to the affected nail. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Repeat this process twice a day. Number 4. Garlic treatment. Crush a few garlic cloves to create a paste. Apply the garlic paste directly to the infected nail. Cover the area with a bandage or clean cloth. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight. Repeat this daily until you see improvement. Number 5. Coconut oil application. Apply virgin coconut oil to the affected nail and the surrounding skin. Gently massage it in. Do this twice a day, especially after showering. Number 6. Epsom salt soak. Dissolve Epsom salt in warm water in a basin. Soak your affected foot for 15-20 minutes daily. Epsom salt helps reduce inflammation and aids in the healing process. Number 7. Proper nail care. Keep your toenails trimmed, but avoid cutting them too short or aggressively. Maintain good hygiene by washing your feet regularly and keeping them dry. Choose breathable footwear and change your socks daily. Number 8. Keep your feet clean and dry. To prevent the fungus from spreading and thriving, keep your feet clean and dry. Wash your feet daily with soap and water. Dry them thoroughly, especially between the toes. 9. Trim and file your nails. Trim your nails straight across to prevent ingrown nails. Gently file the infected nail surface to reduce its thickness. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Toenail fungus can be persistent, so patience and consistency with your chosen remedy are essential. If your condition doesn't improve or worsens, consult a healthcare professional for further guidance. Remember that these natural remedies can be used in conjunction with medical treatment, but may not replace it entirely. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.